Perspective is a method of giving an illusion of depth to a flat or shallow surface. It refers to the representation of three-dimensional objects or spaces in two-dimensional artworks. An artist can employ perspective techniques to create a realistic impression of depth. In essence, they can play with perspective to present dramatic images, thought-provoking scenes, and even disorientating pictures. There are three fundamental types of perspective drawing: one-point perspective, two-point perspective, and three-point perspective.